Okay, language explorers, let's look at this week's Tuesday verb. So, come. To move to another place. Yeah. I will come today. They will come tomorrow. It will come, or it should come here. It should come here. Come here to travel somewhere. I will come to the party. He wants me to come with him to the party. Okay? He came with his sister to the party. How cool is that? Makes sense. So we could say, I come, you come, they come. Yeah. How cool is that? He comes, she comes, it comes. Yeah. So I could say, I come to the gym every day. I come to the gym every day. I come to my office all the time. Office all the time. How cool is that? You come with me. You should come with her next time. You should come with her next time. Yeah. They come with all sorts of issues. Oh, I've heard. Oh, so many problems. Not good. Yeah. They will come here on Friday night. Yeah, they'll come here on Friday night. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So, he comes with a lot of food. He will come with a lot of food. Yeah. She comes with baggage. Yeah. She always comes to the party with problems. Okay, right. It comes with a prize inside. Yeah. This box, this cereal, comes with a prize inside. How cool is that? It comes with added features. Extra cool stuff it can do. Extra cool stuff that it can do. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. So, they came here last night. They were here last night. They came here last night. She came with me to the meeting last night. How cool is that? They're coming with me to the party. They are coming with me to the party. I'm coming with them coming with them on the flight. On the flight to Spain, for example. I'm coming with them. I'm coming. I am coming with. I am coming. Okay, let's change that. I am coming with the suitcase on the flight. Yeah. Yeah. So they want me to come with them to Spain. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? She wants to come and visit. So she wants to come and visit. Do we have time for her to come? Will we have time for her to come? I'm not sure. When do you think she will come? When do you think she will come? Next Monday? Next Tuesday? Tomorrow? I'm not sure. Tomorrow? Next week? Depends, I'm not so sure. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So come, to move or travel to another place. Come here. Let's come here. Come with me. Yeah. How cool is that? So I come, you come, they come, he comes, she comes, it comes. How cool is that? So come. Now, can you write come in a sentence? Yeah. Comment below and like the video and subscribe. More videos to come, more lessons to come, more things on their way. Yeah. How cool is that? And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.